best advice that anyone ever gave me has turned out to be true, which is that your skills in a courtroom are completely dependent on how comfortable you are being yourself. People can recognize authenticity, and they are able to see when a lawyer is there for the right reason. I take cases that I personally care about. I get to choose what cases I take, right? That's one advantage we have over defense attorneys, is that I have made a decision to spend my time and my energy on a certain case, and I do that for a reason, because it's an issue that I care about or a case that I care about. And that is something that comes across to juries. They recognize it, they see it, because it's real. And, juries are the best lie detector test that exists, that's ever existed. They know when a lawyer cares about the case and when they care about their client and when they care about the issue. I think that's always been what I've seen is as consistent for the most successful trial lawyers, is that they have a vulnerability and an authenticity that it's hard to measure how impactful that is for a jury. I tried to challenge myself to always be doing things that scare me a little bit. I think that makes me better. Teaching class this semester at my alma mater at the law school at UGA. And I've been doing a little bit more lecturing on the continuing legal education side of things. And one of the reasons why I think that's so important is that it does help us to force us to get up in front of an audience, to use our trial skills in a little bit different way, in a little bit different method. When I talk to lawyers and who sometimes call themselves trial lawyers, and you ask them how many actual jury trials they've actually had, you'd be shocked at how low that number is for a lot of people who call themselves trial attorneys. And so I have made a point in my career to actually try cases in front of a jury and be lead counsel in death cases and catastrophic injury cases. And it's real. And so if a client asks me about the last 5 or 10 jury trials I've had, I can tell them. I also can tell them about, presentations I've given and classes I've taught, and, give them the information they need to be able to make the choice that they're making for their family.